Hi guys, Gavin again. What we're going to look at today is how users would be essentially having issues with their device, but as you'd expect, unless it gets really frustrating, no one will get around to logging incidents unless it's really impactful. So what we're now able to do is see all of the issues, application crashes, and blue screens of death that happen proactively within the environment. And again, I could drill down and let's pick a particular office, and then it will narrow down all of my data to be what's relevant for me. So if you have any service desks that are focusing on particular regions, they can select a couple of these options and the data will be relevant to them. So on here we can see in a particular time window, so again I might want to narrow this down. I can see all of the issues all of these individuals have seen within their device at the time, and we can expand these out. So we can see lots of kind of Windows issues. We can see Carl, who's got some freezes on the WhatsApp application. But what I'm doing here is I'm addressing each individual case on an individual basis. What could be more impactful is looking at which application is causing the most people a problem. So here we can just change the view to app. I can see here we've got some errors in Acrobat. I can see the version of that. I can expand this out and I get to see all of the people that have that problem, the devices that they're on, how often it's and when it last occurred, and then how often it's occurred as well. So really what I'm now doing is starting to transition from reactive, i.e. in this case, Justin logging an incident that Acrobat's having a problem on his machine, and I'm now able to see that before Justin's got around to logging it, but also all of the other devices, all the other users that are having that same problem.